Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should.
How you guys doing? It's Elegant Elliot. I'm doing an unboxing video on this here Hisense 55-incher 4K Ultra HD. It's also smart. So I'm gonna open this. I got this really sharp razor blade knife sword, and I'm about to open this. So let's see. See if I can open this without cutting myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop.
Power cable, batteries, remote.
I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, but we're running away. Can we break free? Can we break free?
I'm gonna hook this up, and I'm gonna continue this video when I get a stand to fit this TV. Good day, sir. Good fucking day. Alright, we finally got the TV set up. I had to go out and buy a stand. I had to buy this glass stand. So, the original stand that I had on here, what the hell is that M doing there? The original stand I had on there wouldn't fit. So, what the hell is this M? Does anybody know what this M means? Alright, we finally got it back. I don't know why it was saying M, but we're gonna hook up this Wi-Fi on this TV and see if it works. So let's see if this works. Now, where's the blue button? That means enter. Alright, let's connect and see if we can connect. If we can connect, then we should be good, hopefully. Okay, connected successfully. Now, alright, we're good on that. Now, how do I go back? Back. Let's try, what system have? See if they got our time corrected here, boys. What the hell kind of time is this? Should say Eastern Daylight Time. Okay, we're good there. Let's go here. Should be auto synchronization, but okay. What are we looking at? What's the date, guys? Actually, let me do this. Let's try this. Alright, we know that works. Let's try this. Alright, let's try this. We're going to try each one of these and see if it all works. Alright, we're going to pick a random song here. Just see how it works. Why is it so? Alright, let's just see how this looks. Alright, let's see a 4K preview. 4K video test. Damn. That's some good 4K videos right there. Damn. That shit decent right there. That's some 4K, guys, if I must say so. Alright guys, I'm gonna let me know what you think of this TV. But for right now, this is the first time I was on it, so I think it's alright. Better than the older TV that I had, so that's really all that matters. Let's see this one. What's this looking like? Looks like I'm actually playing the dang game. Looks like I was playing the game. Alright, that's all for this video, guys.